In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture on Vestiaire Collective. Whether you're looking to update your old picture or simply want a fresh new look, we'll walk you through every step. It's quite simple, so let's dive right in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and search for Vestiaire Collective. More often than not, the official website will be the first result that appears in your search engine. Go ahead and click on that link, and it will take you directly to the Vestiaire Collective homepage. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In option. Depending on the design, this button is typically found on the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to log into your account. Enter your account credentials, which should include your email and password. Make sure you've entered these details correctly, then proceed to log in. Now that you're logged into your account, locate your profile icon. It's usually displayed in the same top menu bar. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with a few options. What you want to do next is select the option that says Account Settings. This will direct you to the settings page where you can manage various aspects of your account. On the account settings page, find the section labeled Profile Photo. It's typically easy to spot since it's related to your personal image and identity on the platform. You'll usually see a placeholder picture or your current profile picture here. Now, to change it, look for the Edit option. Clicking on this will bring up an interface where you can choose a new profile picture. Here you'll see an option labeled Choose File or similar, which allows you to upload a new photo from your computer or device. It's a good idea to have the photo you want to use easily accessible at this point, perhaps on your desktop for quick selection. Once you click Choose File, navigate through your files to find the perfect photo you'd like to use. Once you've selected your chosen picture, you're halfway there. Double check to ensure it's the right one and that it meets any recommended size and resolution requirements set by the site. After confirming your choice, all that's left is to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page. Clicking this will upload your new profile picture, replacing the old one with the new image you've selected. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your profile picture. It's a simple update, yet it can make your profile feel refreshed and new. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.